Welcome to Dell Technologies PowerProtect Data Manager 19.x Break-Fix Series. Oracle backups fail with Aura 01017, invalid username or password, logon denied. Reference Dell Knowledge article number 195315. This video is created to correct Oracle backup failure, Aura 01017, invalid username/password, logon denied. When operating system authentication is used. This video presents the following. How to fix Aura 01017, invalid username/password, logon denied. During Oracle backups using PowerProtect Data Manager. General steps that will be accomplished. PuTTY to the Oracle box. Log as root. Add Oracle owner to group backup DBA, and check the Oracle owner is able to connect to the Oracle database using sysbackup privilege. This process should be followed if error Aura 01017, invalid username/password, logon denied is seen during PowerProtect Data Manager Oracle backups. Before you begin, have root credentials for the Oracle box. Make sure PuTTY is installed to access the Oracle box. Have Oracle box IP, or fully qualified domain name. Open PuTTY and connect to the Oracle box. Use root credentials to log into the box. Add the Oracle owner to group backup DBA. Switch to the Oracle owner. Set the environment to connect to the database by setting Oracle_home, Oracle_SID, and path variables. Connect to Oracle using SQL Plus using sysbackup privilege. The procedure worked if we see the word connected. After completion of this process, run an Oracle backup to verify this problem is solved. Reference the following for more information. KB 195315. Thank you for watching.